Hi, I'm Will from Vanimal, and today I'm going to be explaining how to fit our front racks into the new Kia PV5. You'll receive 4 of our L brackets, and you want to be fitting 1 on the inside of the rack to the floor down here, 2 from the floor to the side of the rack again, and 3 from the mid support rail on the van facing the rear of the van to the end of the rack. The 4th fixing is slightly different, as in there's nothing behind this ply panel security. So our solution is we drill through the bulkhead into the rack, and you do that using our self-tapper screws. So you pilot drill through here and you screw it, and it secures it from the bulkhead to the rack itself. As mentioned, you will receive our self-tapping screws, and you will pilot drill into the bulkhead, into the racking, and then fit our self-tapping screws here and here. Thanks for watching.